is Mrs. Jordan Cizeli.
Mr. President, the Copenhagen conference is approaching, but unfortunately we have made only a small step forward since the last conference, but we should have made a bigger step forward. We do not have only problems with financing, but we also have problems with the commitments of individual member states. Developed countries must play a very important role, and we must send a clear message to the United States of America. We know that by December they will not have passed the necessary legislation in the States. I believe that we should be clear and clearly express our expectations, namely that President Obama fulfills one of his promises, and that is that the US will play a proactive role in the fight against the climate change. We also believe that we should clearly express our expectations that Obama should be present at the conference and thus contribute to a successful completion of the conference.
Thank you, Mr. Kolicek.
Thank you, Chairman. Dear Minister, dear Commissioner, colleagues, the European Council is without doubt one of the most important institutions, and therefore it should address principal